ಹಾಲುಂಡ ತವರು ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಹೇಳಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನೆನಪಾಗುವಂಥದ್ದೇ ಅತ್ಯದ್ಭುತ ನಟಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸಿತಾರಾ ಅವರು. ಕನ್ನಡ, ತಮಿಳು, ತೆಲುಗು, ಮಲಯಾಳಂ ಇದೇ ರೀತಿ ಸಿನಿಮಾಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಆ ಭಾಷೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲರ ಮನಸ್ಸನ್ನ ಗೆದ್ದಂತಹ ಸಿತಾರಾ ಅವರು ಮತ್ತೆ ಇವಾಗ ಕನ್ನಡ ಚಿತ್ರರಂಗಕ್ಕೆ ಮರಳಿರುವಂಥದ್ದು, ಅದು ಸಹ ತೀರ್ಥರೂಪ ತಂದೆಯವರಿಗೆ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಮೂಲಕ. ಸೊ ಸಿತಾರಾ ಅವರೇ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅವ್ರನ್ನೇ ಮಾತಾಡಿಸ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ. ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಐ ಆಮ್ ಸೋ ಮಚ್ ಎಕ್ಸೈಟೆಡ್ ಟು ಟಾಕ್ ವಿತ್ ಯು ರೈಟ್ ನೌ.
Thank you so much.
Well, it's been long journey in the industry, 4 decades. It's not simplifying. So, how do you exaggerate it?
Um, I consider myself so lucky that I'm still around, and 40 years, you rightly said, and it seems like yesterday. So, uh, especially this film, ತುಂಬ ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಚಿತ್ರರೂಪ ತಂದೆಯವರಿಗೆ, though the title feels like it's about maybe a relationship with the father, but it is definitely a family based story, but it's about a mother and son also, the relationship with them. So I love the title and I love the story, and I was so happy that the director Jaganavaru approached me for this film. It's a beautiful story, and my character as Janaki is such a lovely character. And he has taken it, the way he narrated, how I enjoyed the narration, he has picturized it the same way. The cinematography is very good, and we have shot in different places. We shot in Bangalore, we shot in Mysore, then we shot in Cochin, and then we shot in Guwahati, Chirapunji. Picturesque, it's very picturesque, and not particularly that it's a traveling film or something. It's, the character goes there. There is a reason for that. But it's beautiful. It's like a poem. Very, very interesting story. I really enjoyed portraying Janaki and working in this film. And the hero, Nihar Mukesh, he has worked in Telugu. I think this is the first time he's acting in Kannada. He has done a good job. And Rajana plays the heroine, and then Rajesh Aur is there. With Rajesh Auru, I have worked in Nanu Nanna Kanasu. So after so many years, we are working together again. His role is also excellent. Uh, and altogether, it's a very beautiful film.
As I said, 40 years journey, and what kept you consistent and relevant in this fast changing industry?
I think the films I have done, you still remember me with Halunda Tavaram. So I think in um, I would love to say that in all languages I have done good films like that. So I think that is the main reason I'm still around. I was very choosy then, and I'm also very choosy now. And so even if it is, I think 8 years gap in Canada, but my request is my request to the audience is like how you accepted me in Halunda Tavaru, how you liked me in other films that I have done. Uh, Please watch this film in theaters. Enjoy this film and show all the love and care you have shown me before also.
So, what is the biggest difference you see in the past and current filmmaking, ma'am?
See, lot of things have changed, lot of good improvements, technology wise and all. So, I think these days we can work little relaxingly. It is not like, working in 80s and 90s, it is film. Now it is all digital. So that time we used to, it's kind of when you hear the noise of the film running itself, you know, you will be in your toes. You have to be paka. You have to finish the shot, in one take or two take, you know, uh, because you can't lose the film, right? So, but now, because it is digital, a little bit easiness is there. Yes, technology, that development is good. Yeah.
So the trend is going. Many of them are choosing the glamour over about the emotions, but you chose the I mean the glamour, also the emotions. You made it to give it with the characters. So not only the exposing of the skin, but you chose the standard roots of yourself. So how did that define, and also audience love you still in that such a characters?
Um, See, here my first film was Halunda Tauru. So people loved that film, and after that, the roles I played was not similar to that, but heroine-oriented subject with performance-oriented films. So in other languages also, I have done films like that only. So I was not right from beginning. I was not into that glamorous side. Even in Halunda Tavaru, I look glamorous. It's how you, it's your definition how you define glamour. Or not that if you expose it as glamour. You know, if you if you are in a sari also, you look glamorous, right? Yeah. But I opted for performance oriented roles.
So how do you want to remember in word of cinema?
Uh, as a good performer, as a good artist. Yeah.
Ma'am, as well, you've been a part of the Amma I Love You. We still all love the song, and when all the audience get connected to the Amma song. Well, they remember their mother, and also we miss Chiranjeevi Sarja. So when did you heard that news? How did you feel? And right now, what you are missing from him?
I did only one film with him. Very, very sweet person. And I was so shocked. I couldn't believe it only. He's so young. It was so unbelievable, and it's so sad. I don't know what to say, but it's a terrible loss to the industry. I know the terrible loss to the family. I couldn't believe it. It's very, very, very sad. Very sweet person. It was so nice working with him.
Okay, ma'am. Finally, it's been a pleasure that you've been back to the Kannada film industry. So, what are the next line projects have been lined up?
Oh, this film, this is releasing on Jan 1st, 2026. So please go and watch this film in theaters. And I really enjoyed working in this film. I really enjoyed my character. I hope and pray that you also will love this film. And after this, I have already finished shooting for another Kannada film, which is produced by Prakash Raj sir, and I'm pairing with him.
Can you share any of the like special moments in this kind of film industry, or some actors that you still been in touch with?
Ah,
Like rare moments.
no, there are a lot. 40 years, I cannot say in 2 minutes,
So your
right?
fans
No, see,
with Vishnuvardhan sir also.
it was excellent. It was an amazing person. He's a very sweet person, and it was. What can I say? I did Halunda Tavru, I did Dirka Sumangali, I did Bangarada Kalasha. So many films with him, and very good experience. And he's an amazing human being. It's a real loss that he's not with us.
Thank you, ma'am. All the best for your further projects. ಅದೆಷ್ಟು ನಟಿ ಸಿತಾರಾ ಅವರ ಮಾತಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಯುವರಾಜ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಕೀರ್ತಿ ಪಾಟೀಲ್, ಗ್ಯಾಂಟಿ ನ್ಯೂಸ್, ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು.
ಗ್ಯಾರಂಟಿ ನ್ಯೂಸ್, ಸುದ್ದಿ ಖಚಿತ, ನ್ಯಾಯ ನಿಶ್ಚಿತ.